Alright, in this part 2 we're going to be reviewing SEO and tagging and editing polls. So we're going to be we finished up our post, so we're going to scroll down here to this bottom part, and this is the SEO pack. As you can see, just kind of open it up like that. And what we're going to be doing is just increasing our keywords for search engines. And this is a great tool that we use here to do that for our communities. So our title, it can be the same as what you put up here, but we would like it to be just a tad bit different to increase the keywords that we're using. So let's put something like let's see here. Let's do something like that. It's a little bit different. It's got some different words in it. Maybe it's rearranged differently as well, so that can be good too. For this description, what you can do is you can actually copy your topic sentence. If it's a good one that kind of explains what's going on, and you can paste it in here to your description box. But one thing to make sure of is this maximum of 160 characters. Right now we have 250, so we kind of need to reword stuff, and it's best if we reword stuff anyway. It just kind of, again, gives us more keywords, increases our SEO, and allows them to find our blogs easier. So let's just add some same idea, just in a different way. So summertime is prime workout time. Great. Alright, so I just mix it up a little bit. The Great Outdoors is a fantastic solution to your exercise needs, free, convenient, and no membership required. So essentially, I just, I talked about my 3 little things right here that I pulled from Shine magazine. So that's the SEO pack. So we filled that out. Next, we need to choose a category. Now, this particular category, you could honestly choose apartment living, go green, and health and fitness, but I think it mostly has to do with health and fitness, so we only want to choose one category. So we're going to choose health and fitness. And next we want to add some tags. So we can add, let's see here, we want to add trail walking, exercise, outdoor activities, summertime workout, let's see here, family time, and let's add one more. Let's say let's see what we got in here. Let's say Shine magazine. Okay, and then we can publish it. So if you click this button, it'll publish immediately, or we can go to edit, and we can choose this to say, let's say we wanted this to publish at 8 o'clock at night. Well, what we would do is we would change this to 20, because WordPress works on military time, so in 24-hour increments. If we wanted to change it to 9 a.m. in the morning, we would just put a 9 there. And if we wanted it to be 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it'd be 14. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Now let's look at polls. So let's go ahead and hit OK. So let's go ahead and schedule this. So this is scheduled, and let's say we wanted to add a poll with this. So if we go down to manage polls, we want to add a poll, and let's say we wanted to say, do you like trail walking, right? Just gonna have a simple yes, no, and let's add maybe. Alright, so that's good. And you can expire the poll, you cannot expire the poll, it's kind of your choice. But if you were to have a customer who says, I want this poll to run for a week, you'd be able to set it up like that. But in this instance, we're not. We're just going to add the poll. Alright, now we want to go to manage polls. And this ID number is 6. Alright, so that's important. So we're going to go back to edit. We're going to edit this workout in the summertime. And we're going to put a poll at the very end right here. So all we're going to do is we're going to choose this button, insert poll. Remember that was number 6. It's going to ask us to enter the poll ID. And we're going to update. And then when we go to view post, the poll should be in our blog. And there it is. And it will also appear on the right hand side. So you can have two polls going at one time. You could have a poll on the right hand side, and you can have a poll going on the in the actual post. The poll that you have with the highest ID number is going to be the one that appears over here. So if you wanted two polls, you'd have to have this one be 7 and this one be 6. Alright, so that's essentially how it works. We reviewed how to log in, how to create a new post, adding headlines, body, hyperlinking in the body, adding a photo to your post, captions, hyperlinking, and titles within your photo. And then in the second part, we reviewed SEO packaging, tags, publishing or scheduling your posts, and finally editing polls. So if you have any questions, remember you're going to have one-on-one time with your trainer at NCI. And again, this is just a brief overview. Feel free to watch this as many times as you need just to get an idea of WordPress and what our expectations are. Thanks a lot for your time.